Good day, everyone. This is a Jeep Patriot. I know which signal light isn't working, but just want to show you this is an indication that these Jeeps are kind of weird. So I'm doing a left turn, and it looks normal right now, and then it starts going super fast. So in almost any vehicle, that's an indication that a bulb is burnt out. So basically go to the front, go to the back, and see what's going on. And in this case, I determined it's the back driver's side. And it's like the brake light and the signal light. It's a combo thing, so we're going to replace that. It's really easy. Okay, so normally you should probably have some trim tools or whatever, nice little plastic things, but I'm not at home. I don't have those, so I'm just going to show you using just a basic screwdriver. And the first thing we need to do, if you look right here, so the screwdriver, so there's this fastener here, and you have to go in between. It's like two pieces. Don't go way to the back to try to pry it out. You have to go in between, right there. Same with the bottom one. So there's just those two. So let's get those pulled out. I'll show you here. So just get the screwdriver in here, and they should pop out. You know what? I'm gonna go see if there's a pair of pliers available. Hang on. Okay, so I got my pliers here. They're kind of like pliers anyway, but well, these pliers don't really work. So here's some different pliers. These ones will work. They're a little bit rusty. They haven't been used for a while, so I put a little bit of lube on them. There, I think that one's out. To the bottom. Oh, this one came right out. I don't know what that's about, but yeah. There we go. It's a little bit, they're stuck in there pretty good, but away we go. And then come over to the side here. Again, if you have the trim tools, it would be very helpful. There's a pin that goes straight back here, and there's a pin that goes straight back there. So first, I'm just going to try to pull the light out straight out, but I have a feeling we're going to have to probably pry it out a little bit. And again, if you don't have the trim tool, I'm just going to use a cloth here, like this, and use the cloth, put the towel here so I don't damage the paint. Alright, so it's all loose now. Yeah, should just pull straight out. Voila. And it was the top bulb here on the unit, which is both your signal light and the brake lights work through there too. And the bulb you need is a 3157. So let's go ahead, get the old one out, check it out. Get them out, it should just be a twisty, like that. And let's just see this, the bulb just pulls out like that. And yeah, it's, if you look at them, there's little coils, like little metal coils in there, and I can see there's a break in this one, and plus it's kind of discolored compared to the new one, so that's a good indication that it's actually burnt out. So let's go ahead, get a new bulb here. So yeah, big difference, eh? And you just, these bulbs are not critical as long as your hands are clean. It's not like dealing with a halogen headlight or something where you certainly don't want to use your bare hands and get any oils from your hands on them. These are just standard bulbs, so you don't need to worry about that. And they just push in. It's all good. And you know what I'm going to do? Before I put this back together, I'm gonna go start the vehicle and make sure it's working. Wonder if the keys are in it. Have your keys handy. Okay, so it's obvious it looks like it's working fine. I can't really test the brake light. I don't have anyone to help me right now. But I mean, the fact that it's signaling properly and it lights up, the brake light's gonna work too, so. All right, I'll go turn it off. And just stick this in here, like that. And then you just rotate it, and it tightens into place. You can feel it. It should be sitting in this configuration also. So, if you can see that. All right, so we're good to go. So these are those two little pins, if you can see them both. Those have to go back into these little slots here. So, get her lined up. And just give it like a straight push over on this side. So those popped in, perfect. Oh, and the fasteners popped out. So this is what I was talking about. There are two pieces. So this is the one that goes in first, and then this one goes in second. And that's what I was saying at the beginning. When you pry on these, you don't pry underneath here. You got to go in between the two. This goes in and spreads these little pins here, and that's what holds the whole assembly in. So put these in first. Whoops, the big ones. There. Then this guy down here, if they happen to fall out. And then these pins, you know what, I'm gonna spray these. Let's put a little bit of lube on here, just a little tiny touch. There. And get these pins in. There. And there. And she's all good to go. Super easy. So I don't know, like you can go to the garage. Sometimes you can go to like a smaller garage. If you buy the bulbs from them, they might do it for free. But if you go to some place like Canadian Tire, they're probably going to charge you like, you know, I don't know, $50, $60 to put in a $5 bulb. So yeah, do things on your own. Save a lot of cash. Have a great day, everyone. Please give me a thumbs up. That's the only thing I ask. Thumbs up if you like the video or if you got something out of it. Take care, everyone.